think of the ultimate travel destination. A place where you can watch the sunrise over an endless savanna full of wild elephants, and by the afternoon, walk along tropical beach with sand as white as sugar. Welcome to Tanzania. But if you are planning your very first trip to Africa, you might be wondering, where exactly is this incredible country? And what makes it so special? In this video, we are giving you the ultimate beginner's guide to locating and understanding Tanzania. Let us start with the basics. Tanzania is located in East Africa, right below the equator. It sits perfectly along the coast of the Indian Ocean. To give you an idea of its size, Tanzania is nearly twice the size of California in the United States, or about 4 times the size of the United Kingdom. It shares borders with 8 countries, including Kenya to the north and Zambia to the south. Because it sits right on the coast, it has served as the gateway to East Africa for centuries. Welcoming traders, travelers, and explorers from all over Europe, Asia, and Arabia.